Hello everyone, so in today's lesson we're gonna be learning about percents. So let's go ahead and start off with our mystery mission or objective lesson. So Mia just won 120 tickets at the arcade. The prize wheel sign reads hand over 15% of your tickets for a bonus spin. The worker quickly counts out 18 tickets without using a calculator. How did the worker find 18 so fast? Okay. So her total tickets we know are 100 and oh no. We know the total we know the total tickets is 120. And then it reads hand over 15% times 15 by 100. And then this simplifies to 3 by 4. And then hand over 15%. And then 130. And then that would equal 90. And oh, she just won this many. And then she wants to hand over 15. Yeah. So they would count out 18 using a calculator, because when they hand over 15%, they count out 18 so fast. So this actually a little wrong. And then because 3 by 15, or if we do 15 by 100, 120 times 15 is equal to 1800. And then when we do 1800 by 100, we get 18. So you do not want to simplify. Yeah. So you just want to try it when you're doing it in the beginning to do it without it. So the objective is I can find a percent of any whole number by turning the percent into a decimal and multiplying. So let's begin. What is 15% of 120 tickets? So 15%, we literally just found this, so we don't need to do that. So now it's our turn. So 35% of 200 points. 200 times 35 by 100, 1, 2 is equal to 70. And then next, a percent is a ratio out of 100. The term percent means per 100. To find a percent, first write the percent as a decimal. You don't have to write it as a decimal, but sometimes some people find it easier. So you move the decimal 2 places left, then multiply by the whole. So 25% becomes 0.25, and then 0.25 times 80 is equal to 20. 25% of 80 is 20. So now we'll just do a couple of practice problems. We'll do a practice problem. So 20 times 20 by 100. So that would be 1, 5, and equal to 4. So that concludes today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it.